everyone. Today I'll be discussing very easy DIYs for introducing the matching activities to the toddlers ranging from the age of 1.5 to 2 years of age. Okay, so let's get started. So this is the first activity where I have planned the matching activity for the object with the picture. The child has to look and reconnect between the picture and the image. So this is the way I have used different flashcards which are available with me. You can use either any book which you have, and similar way for the instead of animals, any fruits, vegetables, any kind of thing which is objects available, you can use that. So this is the first activity which we have done. Next activity I have planned is for the shape matching. So I have cut different shapes foam of different colors and I have pasted them on a simple cardboard sheet, and I have stuck the velcro over them. You can use it or not depending on the availability. So these velcro, they are fun for the kids and they really enjoy it. My daughter loves this activity so much that you can see she has chewed off the circle as well. So just take care when you are giving them to the children. In this way, this exercise helps to identify different shapes as well as the fine motor skills are developed by this activity. Next one is after the shape and the object matching, I had planned the pattern matching over here. So over here again it's a very easy DIY. We have different wrapping papers or the pattern papers which are available at home. So I have cut the different designs on a cardboard sheet again, and then I have laminated these cards so as to avoid them to be crumpled up by my daughter. So this way the child will look very carefully. My daughter looks very carefully and do the matching. Again, it's a very easy one to make and super fun for the kids. This way they learn many things and the problem solving skill is also developed. So this one is done. Next one, what I have done is I have used the stacking rings. So the important thing for matching activities is that the kids should be familiar with these objects which we are using for the matching. Okay, so the stacking rings were very familiar. I have drawn exact replica on the notebook, and then this way they learn the different size difference between the rings as well as the color difference. So orange will go to the orange, red on red, and yellow on the yellow, this way. Similar to the previous activity over here, instead of the rings I have used different things, different objects, and drawn them as well as colored them so that my daughter can identify them. So I was a bit surprised when I have drawn this activity because I was doubtful that she would be able to do it. But sometimes children surprise us a lot. So this way she had to do the matching of pentagon, the rectangle, and the different nuts and bolts which we have been used over here for the matching. So these are the different matching activities which we have done for the first stage during the introduction. The next step, then we can move further ahead. I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care. Bye bye.